From defense attorney to convict. Mr. Selgado, do you want to say something? You said you were set at the close of the trial, sir. Tonight, defense attorney Oscar Selgado is sitting in a jail cell at the Belize Central Prison. This is after High Court Justice Nigel Pilgrim handed down a historic verdict. Selgado was found guilty of abetment to commit murder.
Let's just say justice was done. I don't know of any other case. I've been here 23 and a half years.
Selgado is facing up to 7 years behind bars based on precedents. He attempted to hire Belize City gang member Giovanni Ramirez to murder Marilyn Barnes, who had made a complaint to the General Legal Counsel against Selgado for unethical behavior. Ramirez was the prosecution's main witness, and in his ruling, Justice Pilgrim determined that Ramirez's evidence was truthful and reliable.
He accepted the statement of Giovanni Ramirez. He found him to be truthful in his statement, and that what was stated in that statement sufficed to prove the charge beyond a reasonable doubt.
From our records, this is the first time that a practicing attorney has been convicted of such a crime. In November 2023, after chastising the media, Selgado said he would comment when the trial concluded.
So what is it that the media want to ask me to comment upon a case? What is it that the media want to ask me to comment upon a case that is before the judge? To comment upon a case that is sub judice? I am not afraid of the media. I have nothing to hide. What I want you to people to understand is to respect the privacy of citizens, respect my privacy, and I don't want to see you back at this court until the case is finished. When the case is finished, I will give you an interview and I'll tell you what I think.
Selgado appeared in court in casual clothing. During the judgment, he stared away from Justice Pilgrim, who pronounced him guilty. He had no words for News 5 while being escorted to a waiting prison van at the end of the session. Mr. Selgado, do you want to say something? You said you were set at the close of the trial, sir. Mr. Selgado, how do you feel about the verdict today that you've been found guilty of abetment to commit murder, sir? Any words for your family? Will you appeal, sir? It would not be unusual for Selgado to appeal the verdict. However, the DPP, Sherilyn Vidal, says it will be difficult. Is there any indication from Mr. Selgado's attorney that they would appeal this matter?
I don't think they'll be giving me that indication, but I'm certain that he will. I'm also certain that he'll find it very difficult, from what I heard, to succeed on an appeal.
Attorney Richard Dickey Bradley, who sat in the courtroom, described today's event as, quote, a sad day.
It's a sad day.
What happens now, obviously he will not be able to represent the people, the accused in the Bladen 12.
That is true. They'll have to make arrangements to be properly represented.
Sir, what is the penalty, the sentence that he faces? I understand
well, the maximum under the law is that he can get life imprisonment.
Selgado was represented by attorney Adolf Lucas Sr. He is to reappear in court on April 29th for sentencing. Reporting for News 5, Hipolito, Novelo.